Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on this application of Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page we click on Play Store and then we'll update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.